recently graduated 2023 batch with degree of Electronics and Communication Engineering with 89 percentage. I joined QSpiders in the July. I completed the course in 2 months. Now I placed as software engineering in Sync Fusion at 3.10 LPA. They are very good in learning, teaching in skills like Python, Java, SQL. I have good mentors like the sir. He is very good in Java. He is very good in explaining and teach you how to solve the complex problems and in a very simple way. Now my SQL class is also completed. Now the sir is also very good in SQL and he is also very helpful to teach the SQL everything in a easy and simple way.